Hey guys, welcome to another Linux Basics series video today. In today's video, we'll be talking about sed and how you can use it to find and replace things in a file, especially if you're like, hey, I need to, change all of the instances of this, pattern to this, because, you made a mistake, someone made a mistake, someone told you to do it, your boss just says, yeah, this needs to be done, and you're like, all right, I got it. So, that's what we're going to show you here today. So, let's get started. All right, so what we have here is a list of emails. We're gonna look at our list of emails. So we just got a list of random generated names, and then we just added yahoo.com. So say, for example, in this use case, you're told, hey, all these emails are actually incorrect. They shouldn't be at yahoo.com. They should actually be at gmail.com. And you're like, oh, goddamn, that's a lot of, going through, deleting yahoo.com and replacing it with gmail.com. But there's an easy solution to this, and that is using sed. So what we can do is actually use sed to find every instance of yahoo.com and replace it with gmail.com. So what we can do is we'll type in sed. And then what we'll do is quote, and then we'll do S for substitution. So we're going to substitute everything in this. And then we'll do a slash. And then we're going to find, essentially, you can use regex in this case. So if you have more complicated things, you can use regex to define exactly what you're looking for. Luckily, in this use case, it's going to be very simple because it's introduction. We're going to look at anything that says yahoo.com. And then we'll replace it with gmail.com, right? And then we'll just hit slash over here. And then quote, and then the file name, list of emails.txt. So if we do it like this, it will now replace everything at yahoo.com with gmail.com, and I'll put it to standard out. So you can see now everything says gmail.com. So the few things with sed, though, is say, for example, you wanted this to happen, but you wanted it to just replace it in the file immediately, right? So with the command that I ran, it still says yahoo.com. The original file still says yahoo.com. So if you actually wanted to find, replace, and update the file with that, you can actually use the -i parameter, and it will in place update the file. So now if we were to cat list of emails, you can now see that they're all gmail.com. Now, I would caution you to probably not do that until you're ready, until you've verified, hey, everything that changed should have changed. Because if you try to do it in place and then you're starting to change things and you're still figuring out your regex, that might be a little bit of a bad scenario. But this is kind of an easy way to use sed to just find certain patterns. If you're not a regex expert, there is a lot of sites that you can use, or ChatGPT, whatever you fancy, to kind of help you regex the things that you're looking for. But if you're looking for simple, just text replacement, like this, it's just pretty simple to just use the substitution, the name, and then the text that you want to replace. So that's pretty much it for this video. So if you enjoyed the video, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe, and we'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.